Yeah, you. You want to buy a push-button software that turns you into a millionaire overnight? It's only $37, and if you act right now, I'm even going to give you a discount. This is the real deal. Look at how much I make from it. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just as fed up with all these lies and BS as you are. But I'm not here to tell you once again how the internet is full of scammers and fake experts who will tell you anything you want to hear just to take your hard-earned money. I'm here to tell you something that nobody else ever says to you on any of those push-button software websites. Put your wallet away. Yes, you heard me right. I am not here to try to sell you anything. I'm here to actually teach you for free. I'm here to teach you for free why you are not making a lot of money online, or no money at all. And I'm going to tell you what you can do to finally change that and start seeing some real results, like this. Now, some of you probably already know me. We may have met at one of my team seminars around the world, or you could have heard me speaking on a webinar. And if you did, you know what we preach to our students. Stay ahead of the curve. Don't be trying to catch a bus from behind, because what worked last year may not be effective today. My partners and I would like to show you how each of us makes a freight train full of money. And again, this is not a pitch for some future webinar. In exactly 114 seconds, I'm going to teach you exactly how we are currently earning 7 figures in a single year. What you're going to see will absolutely blow you away. I really hope a few of these self-proclaimed internet marketing wizards are watching this, because I'd love to hear them howl when they spy the commissions I'm raking in behind their back whilst they're just busy selling you junk. Oh, and just so you know, this is absolutely real and 100% legal. Right now, you're inside the guts of a high-level affiliate marketing campaign. You're going to see how much I've earned over the last year. Again, this isn't phony scammer bait. You're viewing an X-ray of some of my earning power on video. Watch as I draw up 12 months worth of super elite ClickBank success. There's no way self-proclaimed super affiliates can slop something like this together. This is not a screenshot and cannot be faked. Again, this is not just some bogus screenshot. What you see is real money, 100% verified and on video. Just take a look at this. Total commissions came out to a massive $3,011,771.51. Again, this is live in front of your eyes and cannot be faked. A huge $3 million in a single year. Pretty darn sweet, huh? And here's the best part. I'm now going to reveal exactly how I did it live on this live training lesson. That's right. You're looking at over $3 million a year. That breaks down into $250,000 a month, $57,692.30 a week, and $8,219.17 a day. Over $8,000 a day. And none of us works more than your average movie star. Before we get